Easy peasy food scrap drop-off. Windham Solid Waste Management District presents a short film about food scrap drop-off. Separating food scraps for composting is so easy, even a toddler can do it, or at least help with it. The amount of items that can be composted is huge. Composting will reduce bad odors in the kitchen, reduce the amount of times you need to take your trash out, and you will be contributing to creating a resource that helps reduce erosion. As a resident of Windham Solid Waste Management District, you can create compost on your own or drop off your food scraps at a transfer station for free, which is what this video is all about. A list of what is and what is not accepted for compost is located at each transfer station and can also be found online at windhamsolidwaste.org. Because your food scraps are going to be composted on an industrial scale, meat, bones, dairy, and cooking oils are A-OK. Remember to take off those produce stickers before adding scraps to your collection bucket. Transporting food scraps to a transfer station is made easier when you store your materials in a sealable bucket or container. If you put scraps in a paper bag, you can easily carry it in a bucket and drop the whole thing in, or just bring the scraps in the bucket on their own and give your container a wash every now and then. If you transport them in a plastic bag, make sure to take the bag with you when you go or dispose of it. So now that your bucket is full and free of contamination, let's take a trip to the transfer stations. The Windham Solid Waste Management District represents 18 towns in southeastern Vermont. Towns shaded green or striped blue have their own transfer station, which accepts a number of things including trash, recycling, and of course food scraps. Towns shaded in other colors either have a recycling drop-off program, town-wide curbside pickup, or no on-site collection options at all. If your town does not have a transfer station, a recycling drop-off, or any options for waste management, you are welcome to bring your stuff to the Windham Solid Waste Management District transfer station located in Brattleboro, or in special circumstances, hire a hauler to help take away the things you don't need. Now I'm going to go over the general procedure for showing up, depositing food scraps, and taking off. This process is generally the same for all transfer stations. If you have questions when you get to your transfer station, don't hesitate to ask your attendant. If you'd like to get the details of how food scrap drop-off works in your town before you get there, check out the YouTube link on your town's page on the Windham Solid Waste Management District map. First things first, find the food scrap drop-off area. Open up and empty your bucket or drop in your paper bag or certified compostable bag full of food scraps. If you bring it in a plastic bag, empty the bag and either dispose of it or take it with you. Cover your deposit with a thick layer of wood shavings. Wood shavings are provided by the transfer station and help reduce odors, keep wildlife away, and reduce chances of flies enjoying the food. Some transfer stations don't provide wood shavings because they have a big dumpster for food scraps instead of totes. Can you imagine covering all the food scraps in a dumpster with wood shavings? Me neither. When you're done, close the lid. And that's it. Dropping off food scraps within Windham Solid Waste Management District towns is free. Even Ronan the Gentle Giant knows that. Now for a tour of Windham Solid Waste Management District's transfer station food scrap drop-off and composting system. Many residents of Windham Solid Waste Management District, even the ones who don't live in Brattleboro, use this transfer station because it's a catch-all for many tricky trash items. The Windham Solid Waste Transfer Station is located at 327 Old Ferry Road in Brattleboro. Our hours of operation are Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. and Saturdays from 8 to 1. Give us a call if you need to check on hours or get information. The Windham Solid Waste Management District food scrap collection dumpster is located near the recycling and glass bottle recovery stations. Here we've observed permit holders display a number of compost drop-off techniques. Some drop off in plastic bags and deposit the used plastic bag in our dirty plastics bin, and others simply bring a bucket, dump it in, and walk away, bucket in hand. From the drop-off dumpster to the compost field, our operation is extremely local. Our field crew haul the dumpster of food scraps a short distance to the compost manufacturing area. Food scraps also travel from the Townsend and Dover transfer stations to our compost field. Windham Solid Waste Management District does composting windrow style. Large piles of food scraps are dropped off to make a row and then covered with carbon-rich materials like wood shavings and dried-out yard waste. Over the course of 6 to 9 months, the food scraps and carbon-rich material are rotated closer to the finish line with a bucket loader. All the while, they heat up and break down into finished compost, which is then screened for larger items that didn't break down all the way. In the beginning of this process, the compost piles are regularly measured for temperature. When the temperature stays above 131 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 consecutive days, weed seeds and pathogens are killed off to create a safe-to-apply product for erosion control and landscaping needs. Once it's screened and tested for maturity, Windham Solid Waste moves it over to the finished pile, where it can be picked up by a number of local distributors such as Allen Brothers, Boyd's Family Farm, D&D Tree, Renault Tree, and Maple Hill Nursery. We also sell small 30-pound bags of finished compost at the Scale House. We hope you enjoyed this tour of food scrap diversion within the Waste District. If you have any questions concerning food scrap drop-off, Act 148, or just waste questions in general, give Windham Solid Waste Management District a call at 802-257-0272 or head to our website, windhamsolidwaste.org. Thanks for watching!